So today is a different kind of video. You know, everyone cannot be an artist, but if we think well, we can create what an artist can. I'm not that big of an artist. I like to, but I like to create stuffs. Today, what we are going to see in this video is how to create your own best chart for your daughter or for your own classroom decoration. You can use it for anything. So the topic that was given for my daughter was rainforest. So I had to create a chart for my daughter for rainforest. So if you see this chart, really I was impressed after I made this actually. Yes, I made it, but with real simple steps. I'll teach you one by one. So usually when we are asked to make any chart, what will we do? We will go and browse the internet. Yes, I also did that. And while browsing the internet, I got this picture. So if you see this picture, it is from Pinterest. Of course, Pinterest gives us so much good ideas. So I got this picture, but I was not able to, I cannot draw this well. So I had to take printouts. But even if I'm going to take printouts, I cannot, recreate the same thing. So what I did, I just noticed what and all is necessary for a rainforest picture. So this bird and the snake and the monkey and the frog. This is what I need. So I went, I browsed, I googled for the pictures. Like see, for example, I googled for the snake picture, and then which is on a tree, and then I googled for a frog picture which looks really, I took pictures which are really like funny looking, so it will be impressive when you put it on chart. Okay, and then I also chose a toucan picture with trees so that I don't need to give background everywhere. And then likewise, if you see, I took a monkey's picture also. All I took in black and white only, so that I can paint it in whichever color I want. I also thought maybe I can also add a tiger, and then we need leaves to create the picture realistic. So I took this. So I took this picture of a leaf, and also I took pictures of these flowers, which are big flowers which will be grown in rainforest. So that time actually we were teaching about forest in our classrooms, so I got this idea. So, and also I took various like monkey hanging pictures which will be suitable. I thought I'll decide later. So the first thing what I did was I put the plan. So what I did, I took I opened the Microsoft Word, and first I put the plan. So what I did was I opened it, I named rainforest, and I thought, okay, the snake should come from this side, and the monkey will be hanging from this side, and the leaves will be coming here, and on top of it, let me put the frog and the toucan on this side. This was my plan. Now I have to put the plan in paper. So if you see the actual picture, if you see here, you can see that the pictures are really big. So you can't get big pictures in A4 sheet printer. Yes, I only have A4 sheet printer. I don't have A1 or A3. So what I did was I printed all these in A4 only. You believe me or not, all these I took in A4 and I attached it. If you see in my other decoration videos also, I would have done that. If you want, you can just go and check it out in my playlist. Okay, if you see here, what I have done, I have zoomed the monkey, and see, this is half of the monkey. So like, okay, the bottom part of the monkey is done. So next I need the top part of the monkey. So when you're doing this, you should not, zoom the picture. Once you have done it, you have to fix with that and then move it over. So if you see, if I like zoom out, it will be clear for you all. So if you see here, for one monkey picture, I have 3 A4 sheets. So I have separated it into 3 A4 sheets. And then same with the snake. If you see, for the snake also, I have done the same. If I do like this, then it will look better. It might be necessary. I thought I'll just keep all these pictures. And then, but these were all not necessary. I used only these 5. 5 pages of printout was necessary only for the half of the picture. And then now next I had this one, but I like this kingfish, so I took this kingfish. If you see here, yes, if you see here, this kingfish was enough in one picture itself. And then I thought, compared to the snake and the monkey, the frog has to be small. So the frog and the leaf I did like this, okay. And I wrote rainforest in one sheet. So totally, if you see, I took printouts only. I just needed 9 pages of printout to create this really beautiful creation. So what I did, basic colors, guys. You just need to use basic colors. So if you see, I painted this leaf in green and then the monkey fully in brown. Just the face, to differ it a little, I gave the dark yellow one. And then if you see, I just used the same color which I saw in this picture. For this toucan, it was like the blue and the yellow. That combination I gave. And the beak, I left it to orange and not like this. I did not want it to be like that colorful. And then the frog, it had to be a red-eyed frog, because in rainforest we find red-eyed frogs. So I did this. And then the leaves. So after this, I kept and saw it was full and neat. So I cut it neatly and pasted it. So if you see here, I pasted it everything in the correct places, and I gave a green glitter border. I cut it as strips and I pasted it. It looked marvelous, guys. I couldn't believe myself that I created this chart. It was very useful. I forgot to tell you about the flower prints. You need to take the printout of the flower also, and that was separate. I stuck it on top of the leaf. Don't forget to give border with marker. Even though it's printout, you need to give marker border so that it will look finished. All were like bits and pieces of art which joined to make this beautiful art. I hope this video helped you all in creating some beautiful chart, because we might think, oh no, I can't do this, this is very difficult. But no, guys, it's very easy. You just need a pinch of creativeness to create a beautiful art.
Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Subscribe.